How to register workers with portable long service leave. Click Employer Portal. Enter your email and password. Click the reCAPTCHA and click Login. Open your Authenticate app. Enter the verification code and click Verify and Login. Dashboard will display. From the top menu, select Forms, Worker Registration. Information section allows for two options to add workers. 1. Add individually on screen or 2. In bulk via spreadsheet upload. Adding workers individually. Click on question mark symbol to display additional help text. Enter data in all fields. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. Set the primary language. Select as English if unknown. The worker may update this later in their worker portal. Employee number is optional if you wish to include an internal reference. Select the worker's preferred contact method. Email is recommended and the worker can update this later in their worker portal. Enter the worker's personal email address. This will ensure they continue to have access to their account, even if they leave your employment. Enter the worker's mobile phone number and any alternative phone number they may have. Enter the worker's Australian postal address. Results will populate based on address verification. Start date is the date the worker was employed by your organization. Date registered is the date the worker is being registered with the SAPLSL scheme. Must be on or after 1 October 2025. Select employment type from the drop-down list. Select work type that best matches the role the worker is performing. Select if the worker is an apprentice. Note they must be registered, however you are not required to pay levy for them. Click Add Worker to continue to add more workers individually. Continue completing all form fields. Click Submit. You have completed the worker registration. You can download a PDF copy here. Adding workers using the bulk upload template. From the top menu, select Forms, Worker Registration. Select Download Template. Navigate to the template in your Downloads folder. An instruction tab is provided to assist with completing the data entry sheet. Enter data within the data entry sheet. Save the file locally. Within the portal, click Upload Template. Navigate to the file. Click Open. Worker Summary will populate all entries with a status. Entries missing mandatory data will need to be amended. Click the worker's name to open. Correct the fields highlighted in red. Click Submit. You have completed the worker registration. You can download a PDF copy here. View all workers. From the top menu, select Workers Worker Search. A list of all workers will be displayed. To know who's covered along with important FAQs, visit saplsl.org.au. We're here to help.